So now we are going to discussing about derivatives of parametric functions. So first, before starting this one, first we must know what is parametric function. So that is, what is parametric functions. So observe, so let x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, and consider the equation of circle, that is x square plus y square equal to a square. So equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So if you substitute x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta in the equation of circle, so that is, therefore x equal to a cos theta bracket square plus y sin theta bracket square, this equal to a square. So therefore a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta, this equal to a square. So take a square common here, a square into bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta, this equal to a square. So we know that sin square plus cos square equal to 1. So therefore this equal to a square equal to a square, that is LHS equal to RHS. So by substituting the values x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, we get LHS equal to RHS. That means, so these two equations x and y together will satisfy the equation of x square plus y square equal to a square, that is equation of circle. So these together will satisfy the equation of circle whose origin and radius equal to a. So therefore these two equations are known as the parametric equations of circle. So these together are known as the parametric equations of circle whose common parameter, that is third variable, that is common for both x and y, is theta. So therefore theta is known as the common parameter. So therefore these x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta together are the parametric equations of circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Now consider the another example, x equal to a t square, y equal to 2at. X equal to a t square, y equal to 2at, and now consider the equation of parabola y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. So now substitute x equal to at square and y equal to 2at in the equation of parabola. So this becomes y is 2at bracket square 4a, x equal to at square, x equal to at square. Therefore square of this one is 4a square t square, this equal to 4a square t square. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So here observe, x equal to at square and y equal to 2at. These two equations together satisfy the equation of parabola, and the common variable is here t. So that is known as the parameter. So therefore these two parametric equations satisfy the equation of parabola. So therefore these two are known as the parametric equations of the parabola. Parametric equations of the parabola are 2x equal to at square and y equal to 2at. These two are called parametric equation because these two will satisfy equation of parabola. Here common parameter is t. So x equal to 8 square, t is common here, y equal to 280. So since a is constant, though it appears in both x and y, so it is the constant. Now consider another example, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta, and consider the equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now substitute this x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta in this equation of parabola. So therefore this becomes a cos theta bracket square divided by a square plus b sin theta bracket square divided by b square, this equal to 1. So square of this becomes a square cos square theta by a square plus b square sin square theta divided by b square equal to 1. A square get cancels, b square also get cancels. Therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta, this equal to 1. So value of this is equal to 1. This also equal to 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So therefore x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta, these together will satisfy the equation of parabola. Therefore, so x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta are the parametric equations of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now to find the derivatives of parametric equations, yes, that is to find the derivative of parametric functions, consider the function x equal to f of theta, y equal to g of theta. Observe here, x equal to f of theta, y equal to g of theta. Here common parameter is theta. If we take x equal to f of t, y equal to g of t. So here common parameter is t. Common parameter is t. So if we take x equal to f of r, y equal to g of r, here the common parameter is r. It is function of r, function of r, function of t, function of t, here function of theta, function of theta. Common parameter is theta, common parameter is t, common parameter is r. So to find the derivative, that is to find dy by dx. To find dy by dx, first we have to differentiate x and y with respect to common parameter. So observe here, and so remember this. So if the given equations are parametric function, then to find the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, we must differentiate the functions x and y with respect to the common parameter, with respect to common parameter. So here to find common parameter is theta. So therefore to find dy by dx, so dy by dx differentiate with respect to theta, and here also differentiate with respect to theta. Here common parameter is t, therefore differentiate x and y with respect to t and put dy by dx, find dy by dx. Similarly here common parameter is r, so to find dy by dx we have to differentiate x and y with respect to r. Now consider this one, x equal to f of theta, y equal to g of theta, common parameter is theta. So therefore differentiate x with respect to theta, differentiate y with respect to theta. So therefore differentiating with respect to theta, therefore dx upon d theta. Derivative of x is with respect to theta is dx upon theta. Therefore, this becomes f dash theta. And derivative of y with respect to theta, dy upon d theta. This equal to g dash theta. So that is dy by d theta with respect to theta is g dash d theta. So therefore, to find dy by dx, this equal to dy by d theta, this divided by dx upon d theta. So remember this one. To find dy by dx, so put these values dy by d theta in numerator, dx upon d theta in denominator. So division of this we will get dy by dx. So similarly, in this case, common parameter is theta. So therefore, differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, dx upon dt equal to f dash t, that is the derivative of the given function whose parameter is t. Dy upon dt, this equal to g dash t. Therefore, dy by dx here is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So in this manner. So similarly, you can find the derivative of x and y, that is dy by dx, differentiating with respect to common parameter r, dx upon dr, dy upon dr. So therefore, dy upon dr divided by dx upon dr. So we will give the derivative of parametric function. So therefore, so remember this much, that if the given functions are x equal to f theta, y equal to g theta, differentiate with respect to theta and substitute these, that is the derivatives of x and y with respect to theta in this form to get the dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. So remember this one. Dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. So in this topic, so there is strictly one question is there, 3 or 5 marks. So one question is strictly comes to the annual examination. So therefore, this is also important one. So the limited number of questions are there. So only 12-15 questions are there. Out of 12 sections, only 3 to 5 questions are belongs to which carries 5 marks and rest carries 3 marks. So still then, this one is very easy to find the derivative. Therefore, so it is better practice from now onwards. Now only. Yes, thank you.